Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're checking out something seriously next level. The 2026 GMC Savana Armored Camper. A vehicle that blends hardcore protection with full-time adventure living. This isn't just a camper van. It's a rolling fortress designed for people who want freedom without compromising safety, comfort, or confidence on the road. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing means business. The 2026 Savana Armored Camper keeps that bold, boxy GMC presence, but everything is reinforced. Armored steel panels are seamlessly integrated into the body. Ballistic-rated glass replaces standard windows, and heavy-duty bumpers add both protection and attitude. The raised suspension, all-terrain tires, and underbody shielding make it ready for rough terrain, remote routes, and unpredictable conditions. Step inside, and the vibe completely changes. The interior is shockingly refined for an armored camper. You're welcomed by a premium, well-insulated cabin designed to feel safe, quiet, and comfortable. High-quality upholstery, smart lighting, and soundproofing make it feel more like a luxury RV than an armored vehicle. The camper layout includes a compact kitchen with a cooktop, sink, fridge, and storage. A convertible dining and sleeping area. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Powering the 2026 GMC Savana Armored Camper is a heavy-duty V8 engine designed to handle the extra weight of armor without breaking a sweat. It's paired with a reinforced transmission and upgraded cooling systems to ensure reliability in extreme conditions. Whether you're cruising highways or pushing through rough back roads, the drivetrain delivers steady power, confidence, and durability. This van isn't about speed. It's about unstoppable momentum. When it comes to price, this is definitely a premium machine. The 2026 GMC Savana Armored Camper is expected to start around $180,000, with higher-end builds and custom armor levels pushing well beyond $250,000. Yes, it's expensive, but you're paying for protection, engineering, and a fully self-contained armored lifestyle on wheels. Safety is where this camper truly shines. We're talking ballistic-rated armor, reinforced doors, run-flat tires, advanced braking systems, and optional emergency escape features. Add in modern driver assist tech like stability control, backup cameras, blind spot monitoring, and reinforced fuel tank protection. And you've got one of the safest campers on the planet. This vehicle is built for people who travel where others won't or can't. So to sum it all up, the 2026 GMC Savana Armored Camper is not for everyone. And that's exactly the point. It's for adventurers, professionals, and explorers who demand maximum security without giving up comfort or mobility. It's rugged, refined, powerful, and unapologetically serious. If you're looking for a camper that can protect you, carry you anywhere, and still feel like home, this might just be the ultimate answer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive vehicle content, and let me know in the comments. Would you take this armored camper off the grid? See you in the next one.